The neon glow of the Las Vegas Strip is iconic, a dazzling spectacle recognized worldwide. But just a few miles north, a different kind of transformation is underway, one that's quietly reshaping the soul of Sin City, downtown Las Vegas. For decades, downtown was often seen as a forgotten older sibling, a relic of vintage Vegas overshadowed by the colossal resorts of the Strip. However, a remarkable resurgence, fueled by visionary investments and a changing demographic, is set to make Vegas 2025 a pivotal year for this historic district. We're talking about a shocking transformation that's not just about new buildings, but about a vibrant, walkable, and genuinely exciting urban core emerging from its storied past. The unveiling, a downtown renaissance in the making. For many, downtown Las Vegas still conjures images of the Fremont Street Experience canopy and a scattering of classic casinos. While these elements remain, they are now part of a much larger, more ambitious narrative. The transformation isn't an overnight phenomenon. It's the culmination of over a decade of strategic planning and billions of dollars in investment. Consider this. From 2010 to 2020, downtown Las Vegas saw a 35% increase in residential units, a clear indicator of a growing desire to live, not just play, in the area. This isn't just about tourism anymore. It's about community building. The driving force behind much of this revitalization can be traced back to figures like Tony C., the late Zappo CEO, whose downtown project poured $350 million into various ventures aimed at creating a more diversified and appealing urban environment. While the downtown project faced its share of challenges, it undeniably laid critical groundwork, fostering a tech startup scene, supporting small businesses, and drawing new residents to the area. His vision sparked a conversation. Could downtown Las Vegas become a genuine urban center, a place where innovation, culture, and entertainment coalesce? The answer, as we approach 2025, is a resounding yes. Beyond the neon, a deeper dive into development. The transformation of downtown Las Vegas extends far beyond cosmetic upgrades. It's a multifaceted approach encompassing residential, commercial, cultural, and infrastructural developments. Residential boom, more than just tourists. The shift from a purely transient tourist hub to a legitimate residential neighborhood is perhaps the most significant aspect of downtown's evolution. New apartment complexes and condo towers are rising, offering diverse living options. Take, for instance, the Jewel Cycle Arts Building, a mixed-use development that combines luxury living with retail and dining, reflecting a national trend towards walkable urbanism. The demand is evident. Vacancy rates for downtown residential properties have consistently remained below 5% in recent years, indicating a robust and growing population. This influx of residents brings with it a demand for amenities, services, and a sense of permanence that was historically lacking. Commercial and tech hub, Silicon Desert rising. Beyond the glitz of gaming, downtown Las Vegas is rapidly emerging as a legitimate tech and startup hub. The legacy of the downtown project continues to attract entrepreneurs, with initiatives like the Startup Incubator fostering new businesses. Co-working spaces and innovation centers are becoming increasingly common, creating a vibrant ecosystem for tech companies. This diversification of the economic base is crucial for long-term sustainability. It lessens reliance on the volatile tourism and gaming industries, creating a more resilient and dynamic economy. Reports indicate that the number of tech startups in downtown Las Vegas has grown by over 50% in the last 5 years, a testament to its burgeoning reputation as the Silicon Desert. Cultural infusion, art, music, and culinary delights. The cultural landscape of downtown Las Vegas is undergoing a profound metamorphosis. What was once primarily a haven for slot machines and cheap buffets is now a burgeoning destination for art, music, and innovative culinary experiences. Arts District. The Arts District, often referred to as 18B, has been a grassroots movement for years, but it's now receiving significant investment and recognition. Galleries, studios, and independent boutiques line the streets, particularly around Main Street and Charleston Boulevard. The monthly First Friday event draws thousands, showcasing local artists, musicians, and food vendors. This cultural hub is a magnet for creatives and those seeking an authentic, local experience away from the Strip's commercialized offerings. The district boasts over 60 independent art galleries and studios, a testament to its vibrant artistic community. Live music venues. Beyond the large-scale concerts on the Strip, downtown is cultivating a thriving live music scene. Venues like the Brooklyn Bowl Las Vegas at the LINQ Promenade, while technically on the edge of downtown, it serves a similar demographic, and smaller, more intimate clubs are providing diverse musical experiences, from indie rock to jazz. The emergence of festivals and outdoor concerts further solidifies downtown's reputation as a live entertainment destination. Culinary revolution. Downtown Las Vegas has shed its image as a culinary wasteland. Award-winning chefs and innovative restaurateurs are flocking to the area, creating a diverse array of dining options that range from upscale eateries to trendy gastropubs and food halls. The Container Park, a unique open-air shopping and dining complex built from shipping containers, is a prime example of the creative culinary scene flourishing in downtown. Diners now have an astounding 150-plus independent restaurants and bars to choose from, offering a stark contrast to the chain-dominated dining of the past. Infrastructural upgrades, connectivity, and green spaces. A truly transformed urban core requires robust infrastructure. Downtown Las Vegas is seeing significant investments in public transportation, pedestrian-friendly initiatives, and the creation of much-needed green spaces. Enhanced connectivity, getting around with ease, improving walkability and public transit are key components of downtown's revitalization. The existing Dash, Downtown, and Strip Express bus service connects downtown with the Strip and other key areas. However, there are ongoing discussions and plans for more extensive light rail or streetcar systems to further enhance connectivity within downtown and to the surrounding neighborhoods. The goal is to reduce reliance on personal vehicles, making downtown a more pedestrian-friendly and accessible area. The city has invested over $100 million in pedestrian infrastructure improvements in the last 5 years, including wider sidewalks and enhanced lighting. Green spaces and public parks, a breath of fresh air. In a city known for its arid landscape, the creation of green spaces in downtown is a crucial development. Parks and community gathering areas provide much-needed respite from the urban hustle and contribute to a higher quality of life for residents and visitors alike. Symphony Park, home to the Smith Center for Performing Arts and the Discovery Children's Museum, is a prime example. This park not only offers open space but also serves as a cultural anchor, attracting families and art enthusiasts. Future plans include more pocket parks and urban greening initiatives, transforming concrete jungles into more inviting environments. The total acreage of public parks in downtown Las Vegas has increased by 20% since 2015. Key projects shaping Vegas 2025. Several major projects are central to the downtown Las Vegas transformation, each contributing a unique piece to the evolving puzzle. Circa Resort and Casino, a new benchmark. Open in late 2020. Circa Resort and Casino is the first all-new casino resort built from the ground up in downtown Las Vegas in over 40 years. This adults-only property boasts modern amenities, an enormous sports betting experience, and Stadium Swim, a multi-tiered pool amphitheater. Circa's arrival signaled a new era for downtown, demonstrating that high-end, contemporary resorts can thrive alongside the classic establishments. Its success has undoubtedly spurred further investment and confidence in the area. Fremont East Entertainment District, the heartbeat of nightlife. The Fremont East Entertainment District, east of the Fremont Street Experience, has long been a vibrant hub of bars, restaurants, and live music venues. With ongoing beautification project, enhanced lighting, and a diverse range of establishments, it continues to be a major draw for both locals and tourists seeking a more authentic and energetic nightlife experience than what's typically found on the Strip. This district has seen a 15% year-over-year growth in foot traffic, making it a key economic driver. World Market Center Las Vegas, global business hub. While not new, the World Market Center Las Vegas continues to be a vital economic engine for downtown. This massive complex hosts numerous trade shows throughout the year, attracting buyers and sellers from around the globe in the home furnishings, gift, and design industries. Its consistent activity provides a steady flow of business travelers to downtown, supporting hotels, restaurants, and other services. The World Market Center contributes an estimated $1 billion annually to the local economy. The Arts District, further expansion. The growth of the Arts District isn't slowing down. Plans include the conversion of more industrial spaces into galleries, studios, and mixed-use developments. This organic growth, coupled with strategic investment, is cementing its status as a creative powerhouse. Expect more public art installations, street festivals, and a continued expansion of independent businesses, drawing even more attention to this unique cultural enclave. Challenges in the road ahead. No urban transformation is without its challenges. Downtown Las Vegas faces issues common to rapidly gentrifying areas, including affordability concerns and the need to manage the impact of increased tourism on existing communities. Balancing new development with the preservation of historic character is a delicate act. Affordability and homelessness. As property values and rents rise, maintaining affordability for long-time residents and small businesses becomes a significant concern. The issue of homelessness, while being addressed through various city initiatives, remains a visible challenge. Sustainable development requires inclusive growth, ensuring that the benefits of revitalization are shared by all segments of the population, preserving heritage amidst modernization. Downtown Las Vegas boasts a rich history, with many classic casinos and buildings that tell the story of early Vegas. The challenge is to integrate modern developments while preserving and celebrating this unique heritage. Adaptive reuse of historic buildings, rather than wholesale demolition, is one strategy being employed to maintain the district's character. Traffic and infrastructure strain. Increased population and tourism inevitably put a strain on existing infrastructure, particularly traffic. While efforts are underway to improve public transit and pedestrian options, managing congestion and ensuring smooth traffic flow will be an ongoing priority as downtown continues to grow.